I'm going to cook a dish today which is really spicy. As in, if you are not used to the spice, God help it. But the fun is in the spice. I'm going to do chicken 65. So we've got the chicken here, boneless for the chicken 65. To this chicken, I'm just adding some chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of coriander, dhania powder as they call it locally. That one goes in here. A good 1/4 cup of corn flour, some salt, some cracked pepper as well, and some pepper powder. Once everything is added, we'll just mix the chicken with the corn flour. And for a nice binding, I'm adding in an egg. And now let's mix this thoroughly. Nice. And once the chicken is totally covered with this corn flour, egg and the spice mixture, I'm going to deep fry it in hot oil. And just you have to make sure that the chicken are fairly similar or same size. They need to cook together. They shouldn't be underdone or overdone. Nice. And they have to be fried till they're nice, crispy and golden brown from the outside. So let it fry here. Once the chicken is cooked and crispy here, yeah, it's nice and crispy and it's been frying now on fairly high heat for good 2 minutes. So it should be cooked. We'll drain this off on an absorbent towel. So this is chicken pakoda, which is a dish in itself, but now we have to make chicken 65. And let's take a tossing pan here. Once again, a lot of oil into this. So let me add some cumin to this. So a lot of curry leaves in. What we're going to do next is add in a bit of chili paste. Along with the chili paste, I'm going to add in some peppercorns as well. And let's saute this nicely. And this is a typical Oriental styles chilli garlic sauce. So a lot of that in. I'm going to saute everything together. Once this is done, I'm just taking a green and a red capsicum. All goes in here. Let it cook for a while. We just drop in all the chicken inside. Some salt. And let's toss it all together. Some lemon juice. You can also use vinegar. Squeeze nicely through. And once again, that's it. Yummy. So my crispy, fiery, spicy chicken 65 is absolutely ready. You can make it less spicy if you feel, but the fun is in the spice. And for more such exciting, spicy, different recipes all over the world, get subscribed to Get Curried.